saying Assalamu alaikum, should we reply or we should?
No, it should not. Should teach him. This comes to me. It comes to me. Assalamu alaikum. He doesn't hesitate, this person, to detail anything to do with the dunya, but when it comes to the salam, When it comes to Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, PBBU. It's always like this. And if it's come to the reply, WA. Walaikum Assalam. And also this greeting, Ikhwani, watch. Some people put this greeting, it's in the WhatsApp. That's not allowed, Ikhwani. So when he likes this, he does like this. We're Hindus, Ikhwani. Are we Buddhist? But this is so many of you does that. And so many times, every time person I just send to him, the following, it's in my, when you have replied once, you get a file, isn't it? A file. You sit down here and put your. You get a file of, you pick it. So for example, if I look to my file here of the reply, so you'll find into my reply of WhatsApp, so if you want to pick up something from there, it will, this one, it will show you. So there's an X, and there's correct, and there is hands like this, and there is hands like that. So I send this, and I say X, and then like this, and I say tick. Oh, jazakallahu khairan, jazakallah. Alhamdulillah, I'm getting rewards. So when somebody sends like this, put like this, X red, and send them this one like that. Alhamdulillah, one like this, two of them like this, and put a tick. But this is a Hindu greeting. People, they're not really aware they're doing it. So if he said to him, AA, say, Akhi, I'm not going to say AA, but you said Salamu Alaikum. On your phone now, you don't have to write the Salamu Alaikum the full. A, Alif, Lam, even when Alif, Lam is in Arabic, if you train him in Arabic, he'll give you the whole word. If you search in English, S, so for example, here I put AS, straight away, AS, As-Salamu, comes to me, just pick up that, khalas. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, just put Sa. If you put even Muhammad, that Google knows. If you put Muhammad, before you put the Sa, you say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You put Sallah, Allahu. True or not, you teach him. You teach him. Your mobile is something what you teach him, he will tell you. So you don't have to be AA. Why did it come to the deen abbreviate? Teach him to say Salamu Alaikum. Don't say AA. And don't say WA. Wa Alaikum Salam. Naam.